My shit, them say you're a farmer. But me I look for Rambo for sharpen it. But me know. I should have sharpened it myself, but it'll take a long time to sharpen my shit. So me I look for Rambo. Right now I'm going through my clothes at Nadine. I hope she did it. Hope she done the drawings on the line. You know. Nadine kids ones. Nadine, Nelly. I see you, man.
Yeah.
You like it. Global. Right there. So they feel that day. Global. We have to see the people over the world.
I'm never prepared for that now, man.
Hey, anybody ever say ever prepare? You have to look like you don't prepare for life. So Jamaica good life, you know.
What about shit?
You know what I say? See how they. Good morning.
Tell some people.
All the time I see you look like serious how you come.
Man, say, you want me and I on the same picture. Come, baby. Come over here. Come here, sit down there.
That's a release. The video.
Global International going down.
Me a hold for you.
That's why she don't see it. How you know to focus now, but don't make it fun in a hearing.
Tell the people about this woman. Who's this woman, sir?
Guess what I know? You're kind of sweetheart.
Sweet
when the wife is not around. I'm married to make me divorce my wife.
No.
If this go global, you're done.
Don't mean what she say, no.
If this go on the YouTube, you're done, you know.
And then me go on the corner, that's how me say, me done, you know. I pay water in the eyes. And then we could have to go buy all 2-3 kerchiefs.
For what?
We're just joking.
We just say that quick.
We're just joking.
Say that quick. YouTube mash up enough marriage, you know.
Yes. So what about, you know, take plane code, take over my woman?
Yeah.
Tell everything on the end. Murder now, we've got to match anything. So you think we could have them a sweet, beautiful woman and make foreigner go to them?
No most. No most. What paying that?
A foreign, you love?
Yes, man. They're not paying.
What if you don't show no weight?
So tell me about this woman. What make her, what people love her all over the world so?
Well, we put some speciality in her life, you know.
You?
Yes, I do.
You did?
Maybe she can explain it.
No, you talk. Talk with her.
But you hide from the camera.
Randy knows you're not
She's shy now. She's shy.
Randy knows that's not it.
This, you shy?
No, he's shy from the camera.
Oh, you feel like camera. And she have good nice food appearance, not true? Yeah. So you buy new machine, man?
Yeah, man.
You could buy two and give me one, brother, I want one. A real thing.
You want one?
Of course we need it,
you
man.
Know, every time I buy something, somebody say wow.
But you have to just go and do what you can the same way.
Tell me about this woman. Why is she special?
What to me? She everything. Hey, you see when she put your foot on my shoulder?
Hey, cut out your food, like that, they slap me.
What you say?
I mean, I come here, daddy.
You know what they come here, they sitting there, cause
you know what people are fine knows that she have sex. And that's the thing.
You have sex, but have sex with who?
I talk about me for my time, my special time.
Tell why the lady is special. All the women around here, what's special about that?
All of them girls are special, man. I guess what I have now, they're just natural.
Natural?
Yeah. They don't use eyebrow pencil. Yeah. They don't lipstick, all these things. And then most of all, they eat the food when natural. Actually, breadfruit, you name it. You know, go in a supermarket hardly. Can we soon stop using cooking oil, sugar, all them things. So you know, say. And I say natural she. If anybody about you lend me that machine. And you make me start warning people from foreign. Say, listen, you see this hook here? Unless you come with your gun, you can't beat me with it. But tell them now, I don't go take another deed from me.
I must show him a start.
Me actually start fret already for. You know, foreign people serious. And just in Nadine, them I will come here. You know, let me go in.
How long will I feel?
Yeah, I want to change to rat in the yard. All you want, I want lock.
No, me take a lock off of my house bill.
You see how much? How much you crazy about me, brother? Tell me, I tell you.
Crazy about you.
Ah, you're here.
Nadine, why are you crazy about this man?
There's no such thing here, sir.
I shy, man.
No such thing.
Not true, Papa. Don't.
I don't know this man from Adams.
Take out the winky. Go there. You see I broke the concentration.
A film fan?
Yeah. You see when I broke the concentration, yes, sir.
Are you a fan?
Yeah, man. Come on, take a picture, man. Have your mama in the man.
So I'm going to charter you.
Where you want to go?
Pick up something at the airport.
Are you ready?
At the wharf.
Are you ready? Ain't you ready? Like this is surrounding season. You have pops that you go along with the man. You have to go and push it.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. So you have pops.
So you sure it's around the one broke down?
Yeah. You see how this missing every minute.
What one I fix for them?
Come right.
What happened to you?
There's a change out some parts in there. Maybe I bought a little extra gas.
How much you have on like this, Tany? Can you get one like this for buy?
Yes, man. You know, say,
What them sell one like this?
$400,000.
What them sell
you
them
can't get
for?
that cheap on that, man. It's $400,000.
I didn't money them for
You what?
350.
What up nice, man? And now when I'm on the man, man. I'm not talking.
Who yard and food and you can't go in out.
Yeah, idiot, man. You don't know what I'm talking, man. You don't know what I'm talking.
No,
So people don't get to
come back one day. In a good condition to know $200,000.
backside of the man, yeah, man.
Like Ronald Reagan. Like Ronald Reagan said, you put the African them in a shoes and they still not comfortable.
That's some wicked thing for someone.
Then you hear it up to the other day. And that's from when? 19 what? For my president in that.
What? That has some.
I know them have the recording. That has some nearly 30 a year now.
Oh, them a play it now?
Yes. Yeah.
That's not right. Now, when them didn't have the mountains, we did a build pyramids, so a wrong statement that.
Yeah, you know that me I tell you.
You see me?
So anyway, I did that okay.
Say me that do it when I
You
tell
know, everybody see me my shit, you know. And thinks I'm not going to use
I tell you
it.
the truth, is it?
Yeah.
You see why I look up in band there?
Yeah.
It's like how that one just clean up our money spent on it.
Yeah.
You can get that for maybe 300, 280.
Which part, Tany? You not get anything for their money, Tany. You not get a single, you not get it, you not tell me nothing.
Suppose I tell you fucking something.
You have to come and show me once.
You can't talk about that.
You have to come and know.
You have the money to buy? You have the money to buy?
Go show me one of them.
You say if you have the money to buy.
Me get money, see Randy will lend me money
get
to
your
buy.
money and come, for you can't buy without nothing, not true?
Randy will give me money to go start out.
You ready
Tell me
for
go
it,
show me
sir?
part one of the
You ready for it, sir?
in a good condition.
Good condition.
Find for the man vehicle, man, making feel sorry to discuss.
No, man, we are discussing.
discussing.
That man in good, man.
But when I say to you, brother,
A old Toyota one.
I run no other vehicle, man. Straight Toyota vehicle, I run now.
Your van. How much for your? For the bumper?
Like it, I go down. You just put on a bumper on it like 2 years ago. And half of the other one, you take it half and put on this. You see? So, but at the same time, if I'm around, that's how I buy this. I have to buy it for 300 or 280. Them man there, so they now go road with the massive vehicle. I just walk past, so them see.
Okay.
I talk to man. So any man can just come and just belch out one price, man, the man. Fee say, yeah. And that's man, $160,000 I pay fee. Tell me, I tell you that.
How long you have it now?
December come 1 year. You hear me say? So yo, you see out the road? Every man have pretty car on road. Some man never, no man never rate them a vehicle on road again. Because I was into them. Push down in pretty city and me have a house.
See the view there? Yeah, it's a blocker there. I always have fixed vehicle.
I'm already there. I go and set up the one and set them. I just say limit.
Nadine, you alright? What's wrong with you? Why you still on? You know what you look like? You look like, and you ever see the Japanese anime girl then?
Yeah, man.
That's how she look, you know. That's how
African, man, I say African, them sit down in the pool.
Right, what you doing in the yard? I know your yard this, you know. You're always in the people's yard. I'm controlling the yard then. What's your money? Your money I drop out. We are worried about that. You're alright.
Old machine, man. You don't all look all over road and this, man. I pray pretty blood clot people. But they're cheap people up around.
What you have to say to the world? You know, the world needs.
Alright.
What you have to say to the world?
Be good, live good. Keep your heart clean.
You're not shout me yet.
So if you come and you're not wind up. I actually watch this battery there. Oh God. Mash up last night, must be great.
Beautiful morning.
Yeah, man.
When you enjoy the dance last night?
Well, I tell you, the more enjoy the kids part of it in the day.
Yes, sir. Because there was no woman there.
No, I'm telling you, answer, but you know.
There was two other dance.
I tell you what, this thing never organized. Them thing never organized properly. Because when people come out for support and turn up for support, like, you know, the map surroundings, and it was a crowd of people. Definitely park. Tomorrow, Rasta, man! But it's what's that?
Go on, sir.
Go on, sir.
Me here say you love the music still.
Yes, man. Go on, I'm in the music scene here, man. No, we can't shut off because we depend on a fast move.
Alright.
So you alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, we book up.
You know, we stay ready.
We
You have the course. Nadine. You have an headache.
Rice there. If you go down up there, go down here. Come out and check. Come. See me Monday now. See me Monday now.
Eh?
I want to be left Thursday.
See the beautiful Nadine there, people. She washed my clothes again. You see, every time. Thank you. Me take care of me come back. I come back on the 16th. I come back after the 16th. I go Portland. So now introduce your daughter to the world. I'm gonna go send out the video with your kids. What's her name? What she likes in school? She's beautiful. Wait, what? You know, so your mother. You know how much people that call you for take care. You know? Talk to them.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Katrina Elliott. I'm 13 years of age. I attend Homewood Technical High School.
Oh, you Homewood Technical?
Yes.
What's your best subject?
Maths.
Maths? And what's your dream when you grow up?
I'm a pediatrician.
Pediatrician? Alright, you just get a lot of fans. You don't have to worry. Them are going to call Nadine just to come meet you. And you're going to be a pediatrician. There's a lot of brilliant women out there in the world that would love to support you. If you wanted support, what support would you want from the world? Just support my mama, right? Now watch Nadine, we got you.
Yeah.
Alright, love. Thank you so much.
To go through school.
Thank you so much. A lot of people of the world will take care of you. Alright?
Okay.
Because Nadine and your mother, them love your mother. Alright? Thank you again. Okay.
Alright. Bring me a bag and some soap.
This is like my family. Right over, sir. Yeah. But then, respect. Alright? So them still take care of the youth?
Yeah, man. He's still here.
I'm still here.
Yeah.
How you doing? You alright? So them not talk to the family, man. Them not talk to the family.
Who?
We get him to a better family. What's your name? 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 So Pops, them still take care of him here, sir? And then him go to the...
And him jump out of school September morning.
When I send him to school?
Yeah, man, him go to school September morning, man.
So not take care of him?
I mean, if I get take care.
Yeah, you say give me him.
Yeah, man, I say, yes, yeah, Jam, not true, AJ. For Africa, yeah, Jam, not true.
I mean, go for that. I come with me.
Yeah, man, you're not following no man going away. That time, yes, I will do it.
Go ahead.
Yeah, talk, you know, you're saying, so you can send your shop. Not true. Not true, AJ. I can send your shop now.
Come on. Can go up there, you know. I will buy him $50 first.
That's what I want, man.
And he come back and tell me, say, he go in and bounce about. And he show me how he jump. That was say, come back again, come check the car. Buy one. You buy the roaster girl. One bag juice, 2 bag juice actually, sir. You buy 2 bag juice, 1 free, 1 roaster girl. He say, you know what? And he point value, he sit there to something, they have to buy it. No man, they look out. Cool kid them. No cool kid neither, the plastic juice, the natural one. And the pipe and the yellow one. Shani can't take the red one, he said, that you want that. That man. Yeah.
You look like you're going to play golf, sir. You're a stylish farmer, you know. We like the style.
Yeah, man, I'm bush right now. Where am I going? I'm going to bush me.
Eh?
I'm going to bush.
I'm going for money.
So let me get my machine. Because I don't like how you hang on.
I'm thinking you give me a buy that one. How much you pay for it?
You give me?
Right over there, some man.
A couple of months ago, you want to give me, I'm afraid I'm going to bush area.
Jamaica have goat, chicken, and pig story.
Oh, yeah, man. So they have any money. That's really bad. How many you think really bad?
I will make love with
when I call them like America, people have enough peas and corn and this in there, you know. I woodland really been as I tell you, in a woodland.
You see most of the American farmers them. I talk like the bigger millionaire them. Like the poorer man when maybe just have like a 100 acre or 50 acre land. A farm pan. Most of them money they not get more than $200 or $300 sitting in that bush. That peas. No man, soya bean and corn. Corn and soya.
So why don't you get more? You see, more I invest into zinc for the farmer and build things for them fields so them can have water for cap.
Yeah, but the thing is this now, some places
more water.
The farm for a bush. About the farm they kind of impossible to get the
impossible
material.
To get material for build a tank.
What would have better though? You see the black drum would be a better option.
So use buy a lot of black drums, a lot of zinc, and then you can set up them system.
You never want to know whole heap of zinc. Because one zinc can cut in a tree and make a gutter.
And the drum full in no time?
Yes. Yeah, it depends how hard the rain fall. But over time, over a period of time, it's full of drum.
So if the government they subsidize the black drum them for so they give you 4 drum per farmer.
I do think the government needs to do, man. It's all of the farm road. You give the farmer maybe even a mile. But you can imagine you are come from bush with the load on your head.
Yeah.
And you can stop it here so 1 mile less than where you are going. So. Big help that, you know.
What do you mean give them a mile?
Give them a mile for all the farm road.
That's
like German road. And for example, like Nelson this thing. You push the road up a Siblis.
Oh,
you a Siblis.
Government push push a road into
so instead of to carry the load from the piece, come all the way out here, so now.
Got it.
You just stop a sibling.
I set up some kind of system for them lift the arm out. Like a wire system. Cause that might be cheaper.
You mean the car cable thing?
Yeah, zip line cheaper than road to build. Because a 2 big pole that and a cable. And if you mount the arm, boom.
All that could have.
So you need zip line, you need more drum, you need more roadway.
Yeah man, we need water.
Water the key.
And road are the key.
What do you think is the key? You just want to left the whole job and just go out, left this farming. him just want to left.
A whole heap of people are going to left it right now, brother, because it'll get so impossible.
It'll get hard.
Now look when how much rain up all there, you know people are walking over it.
Well, you know what though? It's every man's fault when him don't catch cold water.
I'm going to tell you what happened again now.
Can remember saying no? Other countries will have desert, you know.
Yes, man.
Them have water.
Them harvest
every
water.
time you feel in life, it is your fault. It's in your head, your planning. If me a farm and my father said, boy, you can't farm without water, you know. So you have to save and make sure, say, even if you have built a tank yourself,
you have water
put a stone. So save a little piece of money for the tank where you have to build for your water. Because if you plant tomato, you are going to make money. Right?
Yeah.
So them should have teach the farmer, them say, you tell me say you can't save up after 20 years to build a tank for yourself. 20 years. And you can't build a tank on your farm.
Well, that can't happen, you know. That can't really happen, but guess what happened, you know? You see to all the farming set on a hand-to-mouth thing now.
No, because them never prepare to build water system.
But alright, put it this way. You just are coming to the system then. You're going to prepare water first, right?
Yes.
But it all depends where you're going to locate, which part your location is, and how you get the water go there, so. Or how you get whatever your container be to take the water there.
Well, there's stone in the mountains when I found, so that can build tanks. Because that's what the slaves them do. The reason I don't have tanks now, a slave build it. So if slave can build tank, how come we never build more?
This is what really happened here. The slave it compulsory have to do it.
Well, we still had to compulsory because we have running water. A mind shift, you know. A mind change. The slave them had to build water catchment in the mountains. But the new generation of farmers stop, right? No fact that.
Well, you could have put it that way there, yes, but we have to look back and see, you know, the support. Financial, especially financial support.
Slave them never have no money. Slave them never have no money.
But the system wasn't that way.
The money come talk everything loud enough, because we have something to say to you. Me tell them, said the slaves, them they build tank in the mountain. Without money. How come them not continue build tank in the mountain?
Let me tell you how it comes. You see all of the houses back then, but never pay for build houses. But never pay for build houses back those days. You have a build. First thing you do, you build a lime scale. In terms of a lime scale, now it will be cement. That's all you prepare. And everybody from good intent to Doncaster, including now, come help you and make sure you get you in our house.
Help is the key.
Just when your time come back,
them help
same
you.
thing.
So it's a mind shift again.
It is no like nowhere I'm gonna tell you, so alright Pops, you go up the road and come back and help you carry the bag. You don't see him for 10 years.
Yeah,
and also go first time.
Mind
everybody
shift.
Committed
to come together. Right? Mind shift.
You can't just remember all the long work, but they used to use.
Yes, sir.
To mix. So when I'm gonna build house, you just got your physical strength. You don't have to think about you have to put on how much million in a bank to go buy binding wire and water wire and steel and this and that and mall and this and that. At the same time, they use build the house.
I think when money came into the system, every man started competing against each other.
Definitely. And not even say money in Jamaica, because when the money changed from pound.
Okay.
And that's how the fucking start again.
Yeah, that's a report.
Right, that's how the fucking start. 1969. 8th of September. I found out the fucking start. Money changed from pounds to pence to dollars and
yeah, man, everywhere still I spend it for pound with all America, man.
Pay. When that just comes about, you see, 1969, 70, 71, you have to pay 82 cents for $1 US. 1970, 71, 72, Them years then. $82. 82 cents, $1 US. We are paying. You see, at the time all them damn all of the Caribbean islands, they run to with the assistant.
Sugar cane and everything around. So for the future, we're going to build a farming community. We're going to make it better.
No. Them come up with this greenhouse thing. But it's good in a one way, but then it hurts in another way because it's whole heap of chemical. They're good for your health as well. And in the greenhouse, you can't grow without them chemicals.
If people wanted to learn how to farm, could they call you to learn? Because enough man have
well, I want to say them can get 100% teaching from me. All me gonna do is start them when me know.
Well, a lot of men in America want to come back and do certain things, but they don't have the knowledge. You see me? I go put up the number for you.
I mean, alright, yeah, it depends, as I said before.
What you know?
Yeah.
But sometimes they want somebody to talk to. They just want somebody to talk to.
No man, information available, man.
Yeah.
We don't hold back information from nobody at all.
Yeah.
Because the same information when we give you, it can return help me.
Yes, sir.
So why not share it? You know much good man dead with good trade. And then just like COVID and expand it. Let it go and establish it. Let them do them just so.
Where you get that diamond ring there from? You save up your money for buy diamond ring. Let me see that ring.
We don't buy them, man.
A diamond, what going on, sir?
We don't buy some.
A young farming gear them jewelry there?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes. Globally are going, man. You have to know.
You have to watch yourself, you know. Now watch it. This man is the top chef.
Yes, man. Very type of, you know?
Yeah,
man.
Yeah,
see how do you think, though?
You see me a cook?
Yeah.
Which part?
No, when I was in a family place.
Hey, man, I have a youth to work at beaches, you know. You don't want to get in them places. You don't want to go so far.
Hotel a lazy man up, man.
Hotel a lazy man?
Food did they do? Money did they do?
I tip, you don't get no money neither. We used to get money ourselves.
Chef, really? Chef, yeah, because the chef is exposed. The chef stay in the house, so something time come to work. I have to really know my patronize. You know, say, alright, Chris, I work around this, so I will come to where I tap and leave this. And yeah, they have a thing and some food there. Work or something, I have to do all this.
Really working in the kitchen, man?
Yeah, man, that's what they have.
But my thing is more 5-star, but in Jamaica, that.
You want to live out?
Yeah, you know, you want to wash your plate for chef from, you know, I can try in the kitchen. Why you go back to school and yes, I think that.
So right now, if a couple man want to come, lease up some land. Eh? No trouble.
Any land around here for sale?
You mean like farmland?
Any kind of land. People want to buy in the country now.
Just show me, let me see a brother with a piece of land up there.
Yeah. A nice.
You want me to tell you how we make it know?
You have to go bring me there.
No problem, you're passing right now.
When this done, you can't bring me.
Come and show you how we can't.
Hey, the people that are going to like how you're breezy, you know. I'm going to like how you're breezy. No, me cut that out. But you feel limited.
No, man, you're limited.
No, some of the Christian them online, them say, right, easy now.
You see that, sir?
Which one?
You see this my house like clean up. See Kiara pass there. See Kiara go right through. See Kiara go on the car right to it. And you know right there, sorry?
Where?
You know when you left Whippy down there, so you know the January crossroad is. I go all the way up the hill. Right there. Alright, that's a Bobby house, that's a y'all look at. That's a road. So the entire road go right around the corner. So.
And how much you land there sell for?
600,000.
600,000 divided.
I said no.
You have about 5,000 US. No, not that.
Alright, it's 2.5 square.
2.5 square?
Quarter acre.
Quarter acre. And
that's what we buy. That's what we buy where we live. 2.5 square, quarter acre.
Why you buy it?
I burn at this man near Figure Christiana.
Because it's
closer. I did my walk at Christiana. I don't close I could get at the time. Because I didn't want to buy land nowhere else but now. But nobody wouldn't sell me.
No, run yourself.
Nobody. I want to tell you, most of them can't sell now, but we are so kind of for them.
A family,
a
legacy.
All the people who are dead and
from
them
slave to slave, but over there so the man can sell that.
No man, that the man that buy that piece of land about 3 years ago.
Okay, so you must sell it back.
Different piece of land.
Yeah.
Back up Craig Way for up that way. Then come
so after I come at the 16th, you can't bring me around there.
Anytime you're ready, man. Land can't move from where
I'm a virgin of mine, say you're Randy. Because of this, somebody tell me say this is a sell, but...
I see him, so it look like right, yes.
That's correct. And they must say graveyard upon this.
Yeah, man, up your grave, you won't over yourself.
You don't want to buy that. Because then if you touch people grave, them are going to kill you.
No, man. You buy your little long and you do whatever you want to do.
But once you buy it, you move it. Then
yeah, you can. If you want it, undertaker come move it. Him can move it too.
Okay.
You have the undertaker who take them up in if you want to.
Oh, so after you buy your land...
For example, you buy it, you don't want it on your place.
You take it up?
Yeah, man, enough people don't.
So the family them won't screw?
Then, after them.
After you know.
Let me take up you, if you want it, then go take it. And you don't want it, you want it then.
Tell us your name Tany because they're going to love you like how they love Baba Terrat.
So you want a girl come married to me, man.
Is that a woman? You sure you have a woman abroad?
Eh? No. You don't have no woman abroad.
Because you have a big... So you want a woman? Because enough of them are look for a farmer man, you know.
No, Papi show nothing.
No.
See?
Established woman.
Yes, man. No, crank thing now, no people liquor and this and that and run down bar and streets.
Because you build a house, you farm, you do everything.
I am thinking I'm a responsible man. My baby a 27-year-old, you know.
Your baby?
Yeah, my baby, 27-year-old. And all of my kids them give me over 13 grand pitney already. When I know about, when I know about, I can't talk about. Is it so? I'm simple as I to you say. Yeah, on the rock is still my youth, but you know, so my intention and stuff really like one left or so.
But if you marry, she can come into the beauty and
no problem.
Go back and forth.
But when I simple as I to you say, you know, my thing is more like to try to invest. And anything at all, we try to invest back just so. Yeah. We just love the rock.
You love the rock.
If you are used to go down, but I didn't go there.
It's a Roger. Roger. Hey, me need to come up a yard, you know. And you need to call me.
Yeah, man.
You don't call me, you need to call me, you know.
Oh, okay, but I know your number, man.
Give me, you know, your phone.
Yeah, but you got the number.
Let me get your number. Because you need to sit down with you, man. Yeah. When I come up here, you need to sit down and reason. I never know say this man is so wise, you know. The man said the man have information. The people that might say, Randy, we love Tany, you know. One, him can find land for buy. Yeah. And the whole of them, because you know, Jamaica good life to promote land ownership. Me say you have a head for you.
But guess what? No, you see like country part or something. Yeah. Look on this big level of past.
Yeah.
Let me see a man come through with a new pretty car now. But you turn on the road and a man say, I don't see you with them there. I don't see you with them there, you know. You go in a parking lot, no man will look for you. But if you drive in a Beamer, RX6, everybody will look at who drive that. Yeah. All you know who you still want here to see. Yeah. Who? How can I sleep as in your band? So you are no, them have vehicle. All that they just pass. Them two see you with them there road. Cheap people in their road.
But me like them cars can move through your so.
Yes man, they know the right vehicle for you so. I suppose me tell you that I see Rampire by one new car already. You see? I take up 20 bag of garlic and they are 20 like 20 or 30 pounds. And my percent video that car come for it. The old one just come out. He couldn't move with the 20 bag of sitting.
Why I want like to beef him by you too?
But I knew a type.
Why wait.
I see him white man, but I
so where you live?
I knew a type.
I go bring some rum back more me and you for sit down.
I brother, I'm a live man.
You see, we have to do a serious reason. Hear me, I said to you. A lot of the people, after I do the show, they want land. They want to come back.
You can't get land to buy.
Okay? And we need to know the process to make sure them not get cheat out of the thing.
Man, then listen up. You're not going to just go call them and say, boy, that's a land there and sell. I want to sell it. Boom. See your 50. If you say, go man. I'm a liar, man. Yes, but I mean, if you put your business in their hand and then signature depend it, they can't hide from you. I guess that's
you want to put everybody prison for billions and millions of dollars.
But that 500,000 or 600,000, they're not going to think about it. They're not going to give you the reputation.
So I have to find some good trusted liar for them.
Not necessarily, you know, but I mean, like, you know, liar people can recommend it to a
Come on, most of my viewers them for buy up this place, you know.
What do you mean, man? Get them in a
Because we plant coffee. Some of my fans them plant 200 coffee tree because of we, you know. So people are come back and I do things because of we. So I bring the foreigner them in for reinvest in a farming. You see what I'm saying? That is the mission. So now round here, so now if we can educate them, find land for them, we just link them, we don't know.
Man, everything good, man. When I was coming over, I two bunch of know, man. That's the money time. That's the figure, you know. This is when I got pushing him. Go on, your bush. Where am I going for? Where am I going to come? Man, go for us, man. Are you there from 3:30? Oh, that's too small. I don't want to move it good. I mean, I think go before I put it in my hand. No, listen. Them the 200, you know, jump off of your back. Right now, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. But I have money to pay for. Who? Why is that, man? You're perfect. If you're trying to go and mix out of the plant, now you're perfect.
Tany, if I $50 I'm in the coin. You make it. I'm in the coin since morning.
I make it listen to them.
I make the car. Am I the mechanic? Am I the mechanic, you know?
That's how I get the exposure on the camera.
I'm just a lot of
I get down and grow on me like a
I'm just telling you, I just left every problem me. I say, man, you know that guy there, no? What's your name? Pops? Oh, Blacker.
You're going to go move your foot. If you hang your double lose. I was about last month, early last month, you know, see them.
So here what? Me and him want to borrow the van. No.
Anytime at all, man.
Respect. Pops, so I go wreck a roll on the street, you know, with the van. If it broke down and people in the international say you fix it and it broke down on the road, do this. The mechanic this, you know.
Yes, man.
You ready for roll go Kingston?
I just definitely.
You have your driver's license?
I just definitely follow up. You jam me cardboard down in the back with me, my driver's license in my pocket, man. You know, I have it around the front.
So Roger, we'll have to meet up. I'll come back after this 60.
Yo, Dad.
We'll have to sit down and talk. Because I know you're the revolutionary and the plan is simple. The people them want land for buy. And them want land for lease. And them want people to plant things on them land where them can trust. I mean, no, sir. If a man lease a piece, enough of them are listed this and them serious. Because Baba say 200 US for lease 5 acres. And them would want to plant soursop on it and, you know, them not for monitors. But you have to be in charge of the thing. Because I know say you have certain diplomatic way about you. If you really talk to people because you've traveled. How long you been in this state? How long you did there this year? 7 years. But stop because bad one, I'm going to take care of your goat then.
I need to make the
alright, wanna make move, don't make my wall now. Samurai, that's enough. That man is a warrior. Samurai.
What you say? Last of a fight means last of a life. For samurai.
Samurai. You know, she say, fool family, they up top. You don't know, she say we live at the highest. But I tell you.
You say the highest, you know, but you're the height.
What do you think when they start up at the church? Tell them, in a maroon town, whoever live up top is what?
Look around. What they mark out the captain sitting around here too.
They mark it out around here too?
Yeah man, you see it now.
Yeah man, you see post the good. Yes.
Oh, you mean for start mine?
I'm stop. No, them can't mind. Them are yes, restricted mine. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, they done here to St. Elizabeth and Trelawney. At the same place, you know?
Yeah.
At the same slave, them, you know? Same maroon, them.
Yes, then if you start to go, you open come and yes or no. We party, you know, you can't sustain to run.
Yeah, because
Alright, you see the one in Portland, where they had the liquors out there. See dry up now.
Yeah.
And that's because they start walk, because they walk around here and I cut different road and build up. Dry now.
Yeah. Let me tell you something.
And then result, you know.
Every water used to come from so Oxford River.
Where they come from?
If you want to go through Gango, you see a Black River.
Look at now.
Up so you come from.
You have one place down near Low River, is it? At the place, me see the most water stream, brother. Low River.
Wait, the Trelawney?
Yeah, man, just look at the local standard, man.
You know, me have to charge here for drive me through this place, you know. I'm going to spend money upon you, you know. I need to spend money.
To spend money upon, man.
I need to spend money upon this man, because... Yes. And then you need to educate the people.
These people. They know what?
The whole world. The Jamaicans them abroad.
Did I prefer tap talk to Buju for him to listen? And it will make sense out of what me I say, how he might tell me, we will learn from him as well too.
That man. That's why I love Raja, man.
You can't bother the man we are talking this over fat.
No. You have to talk to. But wait there. Hold on, sorry, cut it. What a pretty story there. You have diamond run yourself too.
I thought you don't see pearl yet.
But the pearl, you have pearl on yourself too.
I told me, man, just pass back. Tell me. Yeah, direct traffic from there.
But you don't have.
Come behind. You need it up by your one.
Look at this, people. All the this ground is beautiful. The man, hey Raja, when you not dig and thing, when you see a special stone, Tany, when you not dig and thing, when you see a special stone in the bush.
I didn't have the special stone, you see.
Eh?
You know the flint stone is.
Explain to me.
I did catch fire.
What you said to me?
Yeah, but the reason why this can't catch fire now. No. You have to have the whole fire around the come out. But this little piece alone can ignite. Because they have stone coal, you know. So you want one whole heap. That's why you say about him. What's the name to be? We catch a fire all the way. You see stone hill. Yeah, you see topside Barbican? Aye, Jack Sill all around there, so come round. Catch a fire when you're ready. But why? And just because you see, they have this whole rock. Whole rock system, and so it's still like this. See all piece, you see it? You see it? But the whole terrain has stone like this now, we have it like this. But this alone there so can ignite. Too cold.
Oh, you know something. Are you a father, teacher, mother?
I never find the day my father, I never know my mother and father. I never see the look.
So you're a godly man there? Because only God could take care of you.
No man, I'm a granny, Eta man.
Your granny?
Eta.
And what was her favorite tea like? What she
coffee.
Coffee.
And it becomes my favorite coffee. Look at it. I laugh.
You put sugar in it?
Yes man.
Sugar and coconut milk. So wait, the coffee. So how old she live to?
No man. 8 years that I live to. Well, no, son. No hang up on it. Alright.
I have to sit down with you no reason, man, because enough of the man them in America really want to come back. Them love. Let me tell you, say them love now. Them love it. So for at least all 5 acres of land, how much that would be around for the year?
No problem.
Depends what type of land.
Which point located? Something for plant like, and how long can you lease land for? Something for plant like soursop.
Yeah, release that for what if I am like maybe 30 years?
You can lease land on here for 30 years?
Yeah, man.
And that's a set price with a contract.
So something probably price will go up.
So let's say something in the woodland, 5 acre. We're in the woods. We are 200 US or so.
If a backline it get cheaper, whatever on the road.
Alright, cool.
Why sir, come in, you know.
Yeah, I love you.
They're gonna ask me into that.
So like for example, if a man wanted to like the goat them, what them name? You don't know the name for the goat them? The goat them as important as people now. Come here, my girl. Like if me touch your picnic, you're going crazy. Come here. What you say? Come here. What? Stop going like say you're a mad goat. Come here. How much you pay for the one goat?
A long time. I got him when I was a kid.
You bought him as a kid?
Yeah.
Her?
No money, he born in a man.
Eh?
Got him from like him mother and mother.
So how much for a big goat? Like I mean, no, goat business is really better than pig business and chicken business. Or is it better? The chicken business better than the?
You can't get market for the chicken, it's better.
You can't get market for it.
Like people who buy the meat, it's better, make it fast. 6 weeks time, you can't make money out of it.
Okay, so you turn around.
Yeah.
And laying eggs is also layers, common full layers.
You got market to get selling already.
Yeah.
Like you have a link up to supermarket, hotels and them places.
Okay.
You can't get enough things, you know?
Yeah.
So you have no problem to get yourself.
Yeah. Well, I think the step is once people start buying land around places like this, and then we'll use for the money from a foreign for help, for buy things, vans and stuff for other men, and you know them start the farming. I think once foreigners start farming, because that's what I advocate, for foreigners to start farming, because they have the capital to either set up irrigation systems, to buy equipment like bulldozers and tractors to change how farming is done, because they have the capital. And I think the only thing will help to build Jamaica is when foreigners start to invest in the locals, whether it be tourism. Right now I have a bridge in Westmoreland, I have a little spot near the river, the government can't move him. So a man take 5,000 euros and say, you know what, I have my pension, I have about $1 million. Me take 5,000, build a nice little room, rent it on Airbnb. If we not start team up with the locals, then with the local resources, Jamaica, the people, I mean, you know, I take it over, I'll keep taking it over. So I try to set the program a certain way, I send a certain message, but now the people them surrounded. Then go find the land.
Okay.
Go find the people. You know, you talk so much vision and thing, now go find the people, then we can find with the land. And find with the trusted farmers, then we can farm upon it. We won't go out with no foolishness. Marijuana growth, run yourself, and license. There's a lot of marijuana growth in the hills nowhere? No. Just straight. Straight yam, right?
Yeah.
I love it. Alright, people, see there? See the vision there, see there? Every foreigner should have a big house like this in the mountains, right? Right? Look for that. 28-year-old man, truck driver, no college degree. You see me? And now we're going to rent that out to bring tourists here. That is Marcus Gap. You see what I say? Them things are with upon looking at what we can do together. You know what I say? To kind of build a new economical base and system. So Roger, we give thanks for I have to go sit down with you, man. I've got talk with Tom. Virgin, the thing I get vile when it comes to the takeover of Jamaica, but if you not sit down with people, like for example, when the man did say, you see a video will come out where say wholeness is a dummy, right? And then I'm do some more research and find out the PNP did sell out the topic. I mean, I say I stage PNP. And the PNP did sign it over.
Okay.
You agree to that?
know.
Because I think it was 2004, and them did sign it over, you know?
That's the mining like
yeah.
Okay.
And them did sign it over, you know? PNP. So now you have this man that call Andrew Holness dummy. And then at the both political party.
Both of them. Do it.
Good. So now we know that PNP is linked to the total destruction of the country. You see what I'm saying?
Well, yeah. You know that all of them mix up in that bad and good. Bad and good, you know?
So when people, and me fear now, when a man call a man a dummy, and they know him look like a damn fool, because it's not Mr. Holness that did it.
You never reach up to say it.
Yeah, these are the kind of fear conversation more I have.
Yeah.
Because Jamaicans have realized it. You know what I say? I don't want to hold you up. Come good. Virgin, it's tough for our country, but we have to keep talking. You know? We have to keep... No man, I try to bring people together. I try to create a vision. And enough, we have people at St. Thomas. We plant 200 coffee because of me.
Yeah.
You have a man who quit them job at Florida, Atlanta, and go to Florida.
Are you married?
Yeah. You know, some have to come. You know, go and friend one of some Randy are going in the bush, you know. So why Randy I do this? Because now the people have to see me build my house in the bush.
Yeah.
They have to see me farm.
Okay.
Me not a talk, you know.
I understand you.
Eh?
I understand you. You start.
Yes, come on, go see. Yes, people, then hear the thing. Watch out for the car now. You said this is one of the van I go buy. Yeah. That's our van like that I go buy. I need to come out here, so.